Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you ways to buy USDT on Binance P2P using Maya wallet. So in order to buy USDT on Binance using the Maya wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you're going to log into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from here go to wallet tab. As you press the wallet tab, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and press on fundings from the top. As you click on fundings, go to P2P section, and on this page what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the asset, confirm all of that, and here you need to go ahead and make changes with it. When you've actually done with that, you need to go ahead and filter it out after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the asset type, all of that, and click the button. So here, as per the purchase, you need to go ahead and select Maya. When you actually select Maya, then you need to go ahead and click on confirm purchase. As you've done that, you need to follow the prompt in order to buy the USDT on Binance P2P, all of that. Confirm the transaction, and you just have to follow the on-screen prompt. Then you'll have successfully bought USDT on Binance using Maya wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.